Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. Hello. So went back to Tuesday morning and I did a walkthrough at their craft aisle. And here I am showing you some of the items that they've had. Their shipment, I think, is every Wednesday. I could be wrong. And this is what they have. A lot of quilting stuff there. This is the pen, I guess, station, if you will. And they have a lot of pens here, a lot of colored. Was looking for mostly black pens. They do have a lot of glitters that came in, inks, and some organizing stuff down there. Albums. I didn't go through everything here and pull them out, but I was in the market for this little containers here that I'm looking at. I pulled them and I'll show you the price here in a few. It's only $5.99. There's 6 in the package, so it comes out to $1 each. I put it back, and guess what? I was going to get it, and then I got so excited about the other stuff that I had totally forgotten about it. But maybe on my next haul. I plan to go back next week or the week after. So this is where a lot of the stickers are. I saw a lot of stamps here with the dies. A lot of a lot of wooden stuff here on this side too. And then on this side, continuing on, there is a lot of albums here too, and a lot of wood stuffs. If you're a chalk cutter person, this would be a good place for you to get those wood, what do you call them? They're the wood thin surfaces. So more items here for you to see. A lot of stickers, a lot of embellishments. And then continuing on, there's a lot of glitters and washi tape. It's all a mix in this area, but they try to keep it as organized as they can. But you know, when people like us come in and rummage through it, it's like, ugh. A lot of cards, which I wasn't interested, so I didn't look at the card boxes and stuff. So you will see my haul, by the way, on a separate video. I'm just walking you through, guys, here on this aisle. And my apologies for the shakiness, but if you will notice here, there's a lot more stickers and a lot of Project Life that they have brought in. And there's a lot of alphabet stickers here right now, and I went gaga over them. You will see my haul and you will go, what the hey did you do, Marissa? But yeah, if you could please watch my haul. I'm going to upload it immediately after I load this video. So my haul would practically be the part 2 of this video, and I did quite a big haul. And yeah, I went crazy over the stickers and all the new stuff that came in, or at least the ones that I didn't see prior. There's more wood stuff again for my chalk cutter friends, and a lot of embellishments, a lot of Project Life in this particular spot. And yeah, I went cray, guys. I went so cray. And there's a lot of stuff here that I really needed to look over still, but I was pressed for time because I had to meet a girlfriend. Anyway, oops, sorry about that. Hopefully I didn't get you guys dizzy there. And you saw that arm, that was my friend Rosie. Hi, Rosie. So now we're looking at some tools here from We Are Memory Keepers. And oh my gosh, there's a lot of punch boards that came out. Punches. Oh my gosh, guys. I didn't know which to grab here, but then I had to think and rethink. And of course, Rosie was keeping me grounded too, so that kind of helped out a lot, or else I would have come out with a lot of this, armful of this. Yeah, so thanks, Rosie, because my gosh, can you imagine the damage I would have done to my pocketbook? Anyway, so here we guys go, still going through the VR Memory Makers spot. Now going to the papers. OMG, guys. I went crazy again on papers, but I didn't buy as much as I wanted to. That's why I'm thankful that I have a Rosie to stop me and keep me from buying a lot during this trip. Anyway, so moving on, this is more embellishments and tools side of the aisle. So yeah, going through, and then there's some boxes over there, and canvases down there, and more wood surfaces. On this side is mostly Tim Holtz. So I used to be crazy for Tim Holtz products, but I decided this time, and it looks like it got, from the other videos that I've watched, there's more in the other stores, in other states than we have here. But it's okay because the only things I grabbed here are, well, you'll see them in my haul. And then more stationery stuff. This is more of the cards, ready-made cards, pens and post-its and stationery, and a lot of other cute stuff here that I tried to not look. Anyway, so moving on, a lot of how-to books, DIY books, and more stationery items, cutesy stuff that frames down here, more organizing items down at the very bottom shelf, and then more frames on this side. There you go. And some more tools. I tried to keep everything, try to get everything here and try to make it as slow as I can, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope I'm not making them dizzy. And the new arrivals end cap. So there you guys go. I did quite a damage on this side too. Oh my goodness. I love those pink glitters. They are so cool, but I said to myself, you don't need any more glitters. And then I had to show you the disc pins that they have. And then more papers. Oh my God, 6x6, 4x8s, and then of course the Project Life protectors, and more papers down at the bottom. Okay guys, that's the end of our walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up please if you like it, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, watch the haul, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.